Today we're making Tex-Mex turkey enchilada dump stew, except I'm doing it with chicken instead. Here's everything that you need. Let's get cooking. Chop the onion. Add all the ingredients into your crock pot. Add your spices to taste. I'm doing almost a tablespoon of cumin, nearly a tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper. Slow cook on low for 6 to 8 hours. There we go. What is your favorite high protein meal? Comment and let me know. Want more great recipes like this? Check out my cookbook, the $7 a day high protein cookbook for weight loss. Link is in the description.